My little soda pop. Thank you for choosing the Saja Boys breakfast meal. Hash browns, spicy Saja McMuffin. My little soda pop. And photo cards. The Saja Boys love you. Big hour meal. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Weezer, The Gathering. Playing live across North America in 2026. With special guests, The Shins, and Silver Sun Pickups. Get tickets now at LiveNation.com.
We were torn apart at birth.
That's dramatic.
This is the story of the best part of the sand.
A civil authority has issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas: McLean, Livingston, Ford, Woodford, Illinois, at 2:47 p.m. on April 5, 2026, effective until 5:11 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. All citizens and residents in the warned areas are to shelter in place immediately. This shelter-in-place order is being issued due to many rose thorn vines growing across the city of Bloomington and other surrounding areas. About 5 minutes ago, multiple reports have been made that vines that have rose thorns with 1.5x the size of regular vines have been growing around buildings, cars, and property. Many reports have also confirmed that anyone that touches these vines will instantly turn these vines into large spikes, causing many injuries and deaths across the warned areas. In addition, the cause of this phenomenon has been confirmed that a large anomalous figure, which resembles a basket cartoon character, known as Bassie. This figure has been identified to have the following: a right arm that resembles vines with clawed fingers with black paint-like substances all over, a normal left hand, a flower basket for a head with black paint-like substances all over the flowers, and red eyes. It is unknown on where this figure came from, or how this figure is able to summon vines that grow over buildings and property, also causing injury to those that touch them. However, all residents are being advised to shelter in a place where vines do not grow. If you see any of these vines growing into your property, do not try to exterminate them, as the risk of injury or death is very high. Do not approach this figure if you see it on site, as this figure is confirmed to be very dangerous. Stay tuned to more information on this situation.
New battle over voting restrictions. This Sunday on Meet the Press.
What are you doing here?
I'm looking forward to spending time as just one of the gals. Gal time! Don't think of me as Monica, Department of Health. Think of me as Monica, Department of Friends!
Crap, I'm gonna mix that.